With Ukraine's drone army working hard in taking out Russian equipment, in more recent time there has been a shift from more capable armored vehicles to civilian non-military vehicles being destroyed, with Russia trying to use whatever they can come over, as their armored vehicles can't cover their needs anymore. With Russian SAM system taking a steady loss rate, with Ukraine's drone army being a big contributor to this, both with domestically produced drones and delivered drones from the West, destroying expensive system, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.